on today's episode of Get Up and Get Out, we're going mountain bike riding. That's right. We're here in Manitou Springs, right outside of Colorado Springs in Colorado. And we're in the Red Rocks open space. These trails are some of the best in Colorado. And it's right in our backyard. So lucky us. Lucky you. Get up. Go out. So here we are at the top. This is what we call the bench. It's about 2 miles up, straight up, non-stop up. And anyhow, this is our view. Got a runner. You can see Garden of the Gods. Over here is downtown Colorado Springs. And if we follow the mountain right behind us, you start hitting the Inman Trail, which leads you up to Pikes Peak at above 14,000 feet. Right here, we're at an elevation of about 7,000. Well, maybe 6,500. So yeah, another beautiful bluebird day in Colorado. All right, stay tuned. So heading back home, stopped for a second to catch my breath, prepare for the next two big hills. Like I said in one of my other videos, these two hills are about 35 degree, 40 degree angles going up, steep stuff. First one is a bear, has a pretty good turn radius, a lot of loose rocks, a lot of sand kind of leading up to it. Hard to get a good approach. The second one has a little bit more of a straightaway, better approach, but it's longer. I think just as steep, if not maybe even a little bit steeper in parts. But the first one, because of the turn and having to navigate that turn with all the loose gravel and big rocks in the way, makes it difficult. Anyhow, let's try it out. Here we go. If you don't get the momentum, you lose it at the top. So the key is to save your energy and then burst right at the beginning and maintain that momentum. All right, here we go. Start of the loose rocks, start of the gravel. Here we go. Oh, lost my footing. Stay with it though. Come on, stay with it. Same spot, almost every time. This one I'm talking about the second one though. The approach is a little bit easier, more straight on, not as many turns. Here we go. Steepness, it's the same as the other one. It's just that turn that gets you at the end. Made it. There you have it. Red Rocks open space. From the house all the way up to the bench and back down to the house, it's roughly about 5 miles. Perfect little lunch break ride.